Welcome back. So the updates from Punjab, even as Captain Amrinder Singh's press briefing that has just concluded, but there has been back-to-back tweets by Navjot Singh Sidhu. He's tweeted once again on the captain's announcement of forming of a new political party, and he's tweeted, and I'm quickly quoting from that, "You wanted to close doors on me as I was raising voice of the people, speaking the truth to power. Last time you formed your own party, you lost your ballot, garnering only 856 votes. People of Punjab are again waiting to punish you for compromising on the interests of Punjab," unquote. So we're looking at the second tweet rather in the entire while when Captain Amrinder Singh was briefing the media on what will be his next step be when it comes to on the formation of a new political party. He has said that yes, there will be a formation of a new political party, but the name and the symbol hasn't been decided as of now, as they are still in touch and his lawyers are meeting with the officials from the Election Commission there. But many of those issues that have been raised by Captain Amrinder Singh in his briefing regarding the 18-point agenda, the Congress Party manifesto, he went on to say nearly 92% of the work that has been completed by him when he was serving as the Punjab Chief Minister in the last 4.5 years. Straight away going across to Amandeep now. Amandeep, it is very interesting. It seems that Navjot Singh Sidhu is very affected by the way Captain Amrinder Singh was doing his press briefing. At least 2 tweets that he has made, he has posted attacking Captain Amrinder Singh.
Well, exactly, Amita. This indicates so many things. On one side, Rahul Gandhi was holding meeting with Deputy Chief Minister of Punjab, Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa. Navjot Singh Sidhu is rolling out tweets as Captain is briefing media just because Captain was with the manifesto of Congress Party of 2017 before elections. And in fact, he counted everything. He revisited his entire work and revealed that 92% work of the manifesto has already been completed during his Chief Minister's tenure. And even that 18-point agenda was nothing. It was just to pull down Captain Amrinder Singh. It was just to humiliate Captain Amrinder Singh. And even he also revealed that remaining 8% was not at all possible just because that was related to VAT, and now all of a sudden the GST has landed into the economy. So that is the reason that Navjot Singh Sidhu's every single claim that made by the Congress Party that Captain was not able to deliver in last 4.5 years was countered today. Captain himself revealed everything. He answered each and every query of that claims that made by the Congress Party. So that is the reason Navjot Singh Sidhu is rolling out tweets. 78 MLAs spoken against Captain Amrinder Singh. He was a loyalist BJP Chief Minister and he was working under the pressure of ED and favouring the BJP. This is all the desperation of Congress Party and Navjot Singh Sidhu to counter Captain Amrinder Singh just because they know Captain has that potential to damage the Congress Party. Captain reveals that so many leaders are in touch with Captain Amrinder Singh, and let the right time come, Captain will definitely reveal the names also. And his lawyers, a battery of lawyers, are already in touch with the Election Commission to get the party registered and get an election sign also. The process is already on. Captain has stepped at every political activity for 2022 elections, and that put the Congress in the thick soup. That pushes the Congress to think more and more about the Punjab unit, and that is the reason Rahul Gandhi holding back-to-back meetings. Right. And even when we asked the question that Rahul Gandhi held meeting with dropped ministers also, and now holding meeting with Deputy Chief Minister also. So how do you see? He says it is all about the Congress Party. Just because the Congress have first damaged and now try to control the situation. And Captain is very much confident. His body language and his every single answer of Captain Amrinder Singh reveals his confidence level that Captain has not broken down. Captain is still very much confident to come back in 2022 elections. And he will launch the party. He will fight on 117 seats with the seat sharing with BJP and dropped Akalis as well. So this is the political scenario of Captain Amrinder Singh for 2022
So throughout the 40-45 minute press briefing by Captain Amrinder Singh, there has been on 2 occasions that Navjot Singh Sidhu had tweeted. First one where he attacked Captain Amrinder Singh, calling him a BJP state chief minister and selling the state interests of Punjab to the BJP. And second time around, he has attacked Captain Amrinder Singh once again, saying that he has lost when he had formed a political alliance before individually. He lost that time around, and this time around he will not win. So many of those issues that have been taken by Captain Amrinder Singh in that briefing will be also telling our viewers as far as political alliance is concerned. He's been talking about seat sharing with the BJP and the Akali Dal, but hasn't said much when it comes to forming a political alliance. Amandeep, from the moment, thank you very much for joining us.